Hello everybody, this is Korean girl.
안녕하세요. Today
What?
नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल chirocrackss में, जहां पर आपको मिलेंगे दुनिया के सबसे बेहतरीन कायरो प्रैक्टिशनर्स और उनके द्वारा किए गए ट्रीटमेंट। इनकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी, जहां से आप इन्हें डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। दोस्तों, चैनल को बनाने का मकसद एजुकेशन और एंटरटेनमेंट है, तो आप इनमें से किसी भी ट्रिक को अपने आप करने की कोशिश ना करें, क्योंकि ये सभी कायरो प्रैक्टिशनर्स जो हैं वो बहुत ही ट्रेंड और एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं। तो मिलते हैं वीडियो के अंत में, और आज हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर विताली कजाविच।
all the feet are hurt and tired.
Subscribe.
Do well regularly to improve blood circulation and lymph flow. Benefits of a foot massage: a sense of balance and well-being. A foot massage can help to relax the whole body, helping you to sleep better and leaving you with a rejuvenated energy to bring to your day.
Nice.
Better circulation. Massaging the extremities helps with the circulation of blood around
Be
the
patient.
body, promoting cell repair and growth. A drop in cortisol. Firm pressure on the solar plexus radial of the foot is said to encourage a drop in the body stress hormone cortisol. So, stay healthy, do massage, subscribe our channel.
Yes.
I'm feeling good.
Так. How do you feel? Cool, cool.
Oh. Oh.
Ouch. Lie on your back. No. Okay. Lie on your stomach.
This?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
What?
Be patient.
It's too strong.
What do you feel?
Pain.
Pain, ache, pain and ache. Be patient.
Breathe in, breathe out. Deep breath.
Nice.
Yes.
Relax. Кайф.
Unbelievable. So good.
Hot, hot. Be patient, be patient. Now will be nice. Very good. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I have a tattoo already.
Yes.
My mom will be happy.
Very nice. Because
Because I have a tattoo after you did this. My mom will be happy.
be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry.
Be
Be
patient.
happy. Don't worry.
Be patient.
Be patient. Yes.
Oh,
Ouch. Ouch.
be patient. Don't worry.
Be patient. Oh. Does it hurt?
No.
It's okay?
Yes.
Now this. Another. It's okay.
Oh.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. Photoshop.
Dr. Brent Binder.
And then, good. So the muscles on the right side here are much more prominent than the muscles on the left. So does this feel like this? Is it tighter on this side?
Sağ tarafla sol tarafına dokunuyor ya, sağ tarafına sol tarafının arasında herhangi bir fark hissediyor musun diye soruyor.
Yes, there are some difference. I think the right side is more strong.
Okay. Okay, very good. It's good. It's nice and smooth. The temperature is symmetrical throughout the spine. Even right here, there's just a slight increase at the lower right lumbar spine. It's just a little warmer. Down here on your sacrum is very cold compared to the rest of your spine, but this is mostly symmetrical and warm all the way up. It's a little bit warmer up here. These muscles are working a little bit harder, these postural muscles right here. Really, it's the lower right lumbar. Okay, I'm going to dig in just a little bit more. Pushing down into the spine. Does your back crack by itself a lot? Like, do you crack your back? Okay. Oh, it's just waiting in there. Good breathing. Nice, gentle breathing. This guy right here again. Here's the finding at T6, multifidus muscle, hypertonic. Now, 1, 2, T2. Blocks underneath your hips now, Borax. Good. This. Okay, sir, I'm going to use this instrument to start loosening up your spine, okay? For your muscles. Breathe. Good. Let your shoulders relax and just sink in. Good. Good. Now, this guy's gonna be a little tougher. Oh. That was a big deal. That was really stuck. It's never moved before.
Stuck ne demek?
Yes.
Orada kalmış yani hiç daha önce şey yapmamış. Hareket edilmemiş.
All right, sir. We're gonna bring this shoulder up. We don't want to over rotate. Okay, I'm gonna stretch your shoulders this way. We'll bring your hip down like this and then push. Okay. Okay, deep breath in. Good, and out. Good. Good, very good. Right there. Good. Very good. Good. Little breath here. Shoulders coming up. Good. Good. Oh, yeah. Okay, lay on your back. Is that?
Good.
Yeah.
Like this.
I'm going to bring your head over to the side like this. And all you have to do is just let your head relax, let your neck relax, chest relax here. Good. Okay, you're holding on just a little bit. See, ready? Here's the feeling that you want to have. You want to let your head just drop. You want to completely let it all go. Good. Let me move your head. Good. Good. Now let it drop. Let your shoulders drop. And just sink in.
Duyamadım.
Rahatla. O omuzlarını aşağı doğru bırak. Ha? Yeah.
Good. That was good. So I'm going to follow your breath. Then we just push like that, okay? Okay. Let's try this. Just follow your breath, right? Just really take a soft breath in through your nose. Good. You can close your eyes. There's nothing to look at. Good. Soft breathing in through your nose and then out through your nose. Good. Then as you breathe out, come this way. You're still holding on just a little bit. We're going to really try to let your head drop like that.
Böyle sıkıyorsun kendini. Haberin olsun.
Yeah, like don't help.
Sıkıyorsun kendini.
Yeah, that's better. That's okay over here. We can adjust that one when we get there. This is the one that you're protecting. There, just like that. Good. Gentle breathing. Good. Do you crack your own neck?
Boynunu tıklatır mısın normalde?
Evet.
He said yes.
Okay. So feels it first. We had 6 and 7 before. 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 6, 5, 7. All the way at the bottom, good. And just letting your head and shoulders sink in here. Good. Go, let that go. Oh.
That was a good one. He said we are not gonna die right here, right?
Down. Good. Okay, so this helps support your neck, okay? I'm going to follow your breath like the other adjustments. As you breathe out, we're going to come this way, and then I'm going to pull like that, okay?
Evet abi.
Yine ya nefes alıp vermeye devam ediyorsun.
Tamam.
Nefesine şey yaparak seni çekeceğim diyor. Bu arada diline dikkat et. Dilin dişinin oralarda olmasın. Geride dursun.
Tam kapatayım ben direkt.
Evet. He's fine.
Okay. One more breath. In breath. Good. And out. Oh.
दोस्तों वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें ताकि आने वाली नई वीडियो आते ही आपको पता चल जाए। और मिलते हैं अगले नई वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।